Hello, my little unicorns. Today we're going to talk about how to fill out a help ticket when something is wrong with your device, your computer. Maybe your charger's not working, but this is how you're going to get help from Mr. Salazar. So on your home screen, you're going to first find the Destiny icon. Mine is a tree down here. Yours is a diamond shape. It's orange and blue. Maybe it's even a white page, but whatever says Destiny, double click on it, open it up. Now from here, if it asks you to log in, you're going to click this blue bar. And then it's going to open up Destiny Discover, but we got to make a few more clicks to get you to the right spot. So these three lines over here, sometimes they call them pancakes. Go ahead and click on those and go down to where you see Destiny Back Office. Select that. And it's going to take you into a different looking program, and you want to come all the way over here to My Info. Once you click on My Info, you're going to look to see where the little gear is at. It's going to be down by either your charger or your laptop. This is my laptop. Someone checked out to me, but this is the little gear symbol. You click on it, and here's where you're going to tell Mr. Salazar your issue. So the primary problem, even if you just say something like screen isn't working, missing a key, charger's not working, whatever it is, you're just going to type it in here. Keep it brief and simple, and then click the Save and Send button, and you'll be good to go. And at that point, Mr. Salazar will get a notice on his computer, and he will schedule a visit to come see you. If for some reason it's not happening quick enough, you're always welcome to come in the library at lunch and ask for his help. Hope this works for you guys. Mrs. Arnold, out.